Imagine a cosmic blender, not making smoothies, but whipping up reality itself. What's the fastest thing spinning in this crazy universe? I bet it's not what you think. Buckle up, because the answer will spin you right round, baby. Right round. Most people think of pulsars when speed comes up. These neutron stars are the corpses of massive suns, crushed into spheres the size of a city. They spin incredibly fast. Some rotate hundreds of times per second. For a long time, the record holder was PSR JPhene 748-2446e, located 18,000 light-years away in the constellation Sagittarius. This pulsar spins at a blistering 716 times per second. Imagine a ball of matter, more massive than the sun, rotating faster than a kitchen blender. It defies imagination, said astronomer one, speaking on screen in a lab, awestruck. But here's where things get interesting. Pulsars, while ridiculously fast, aren't technically objects. They are more like a process. So we need to think about objects. Consider actively rotating black holes. Matter swirls around them at insane speeds before getting swallowed. And we used to believe that the fastest spin rates possible were only around 84% of the speed of light. But there's something that goes even faster. It's the Earth. But only in a way. The Earth is rotating, but has a rotational speed of only about 0.0000123005048571135 radians per second. So it definitely does not qualify. So, what is the fastest spin? Drumroll, please. It's light itself. Specifically, the spin of photons, the fundamental particles of light. This is tricky because light doesn't spin in the way we think of a top spinning, but it has a property called angular momentum, which is directly related to polarization. Circularly polarized light can be thought of as photons spinning either clockwise or counterclockwise as they travel. And here's the kicker. They do this at the speed of light. This is the ultimate speed limit of the universe. It's a fundamental property of these particles. Angular momentum is quantized, meaning it comes in discrete units, and the rate at which these units spin is, well, mind-boggling, explained the physicist on screen in front of a whiteboard, enthusiastic and nerdy. So, forget pulsars and black holes. The fastest spin isn't a thing at all, but a property of light itself. And that's a cosmic twist that's hard to beat. But wait, this is not the end of the story. Physicists have found that the real kicker is that it's possible for a beam of light to carry more angular momentum than previously believed. It can happen when the beam of light is twisted, like a corkscrew. These twisted beams of light could one day lead to faster microprocessors, super-sensitive detectors, and super-secure communication lines. We are coming to the end of the video. I hope you found this journey through the spinning universe as mind-bending as we did. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the cosmos, be sure to check out more mind-blowing facts on Voittoinsights. And don't forget to share this video with anyone who needs a little cosmic perspective in their life.